Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa. So today's video is going to be a hair video. I am basically going to show you guys the whole process from me washing my hair all the way to me installing my Butterfly Locs. Let's get right into it. So the first item that I am using is the Canvas Beauty Full Bloom Hair Follicle Booster, and I only applied this product to my scalp. It claims to promote rapid hair growth, increase blood flow circulation, help with dandruff, dry scalp, and it has antimicrobial and antifungal benefits. I then make a protein mask with 3 eggs, peppermint oil, and coconut oil. I then dampen my hair to make the application of the mask easier. Here is my hair with the protein mask. I then washed my hair with the Canvas Beauty Full Blossom Amplifying Shampoo. Then I followed up with the Canvas Beauty Full Bloom Amplifying Conditioner, and then I deep condition with the Main Choice Herbal Hair Tonic and Soy Milk Deep Hydration Mask. This is my hair fresh out of the shower, so I'm just going to section off my hair. As you can see, I'm doing a little length check. So now I'm just going to spray some water onto my hair to detangle it. I then apply the Fantasia Heat Protector Straightening Spray. And then I use my detangling brush to just spread that through my hair. I'm now going to be using my Conair hair dryer, and I'll be using it in the temperature low. And I'll just be basically doing the tension method, I think that's what it's called. So I'm just brushing my hair and also have the blow dryer to just dry my hair and strengthen my hair. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to trim my hair before I put it in a protective style. That way my hair can just be healthy throughout the entire time that it's in the lock. I am using my my small tooth comb to just further strengthen my hair. And here is a little length check. I have been natural for 5 years. It was actually my 5-year big chop anniversary, like I think last week. So this is what we're working with. Do you see all the shrinkage that I have? Like, shrinkage is real, guys. So now I'm just combing out the end so I can further see the damage. I had to put my glasses on because I wanted to make sure that I'm cutting exactly what I need to cut. And here's just me trimming off. I mostly have a lot of single strand knots or fairy knots, so I'm just cutting those off. I have a couple of split ends, but I have a lot of fairy knots, so I'm just gonna cut all of that off. And here it is. I'm just detangling my hair one more time, and once I'm done with this section, I'm just going to twist it up and then continue on with the next section and just repeat the same steps. Okay, so now I'm all done blow drying my hair. I'm just removing my hair from the twist. I then apply the Canvas Beauty Silkening Argan Oil onto my hair strands. And I'm using my wide tooth comb again to just further spread the oil and to detangle my hair. I am applying the Canvas Beauty Hair Blossom Serum onto my scalp, and then I'm trying my best to make clean sections. Then I spray the Canvas Beauty Leave-In Conditioner Mist, and I continue to detangle my hair. I add gel to the roots of my ends, and I start to braid my hair. Once I reach midway of the length of my hair, I add some gel to the ends of my hair, and then I comb it out again, and then I start to do a 2-strand twist. And this is the final result of me braiding up my hair. I am going to be using the fretless braid water wave 22 inches in the color 1, a crochet needle, and I'll be using strings to accessorize my hair. So I have a piece of the hair in my hands. I'm just going to start separating it, starting from the ends, because this hair does tangle very easily, as you can see right here. I find it easier to remove the tangles when you separate it from the ends compared to when you start separating it from the middle of the hair. So I used either 1 piece, 1.5, or 2 pieces of hair for my locks, depending on how thick my braid is. And then I like to taper the ends of the hair. I am tightening the hair around my finger, and I open the latch of the crochet needle and insert it through the base of my hair, not through the braid, but through the base. And I then attach the hair to the crochet needle and just pull it through the base of my braid. As you pull the hair through the base of the hair, a loop will naturally be created, and just pull one end of the hair while also holding the other end of the hair on the other side. So once you get the hair through the base of the braid, I start adjusting my stationary hair, which is going to be the shorter piece, and then my wrapping hair is going to be the longer piece. I then combine the stationary hair and the braid. You want to make sure that you have a tight grip at the base of your hair. So my stationary index finger is going to wrap the hair around my braid, and then my wrapping hand is basically going to grab that piece of hair again, and then my stationary hand and index finger is going to wrap the hair around the base of the hair again. And I make the wrapping really tight at the base just to make sure it's secure, and I wrap it around probably like 4 to 6 times. And then as I start going down the braid, I get looser and looser in order to create the butterfly effect. I'm just cutting off the raggedy ends, and right here there was like a bulky region on this lock and it bothered me, so I just untwist going the opposite direction that I was twisting downwards, and I just cut a piece of the hair that was causing the bulk, and after that I just start twisting back down in the direction that I was twisting down in. Once you reach the end of your lock, you're going to pinch the end and twist back up, going the same direction that you were twisting down. And you just keep twisting upwards until you have no more hair left. This hair does lock by itself naturally, and this is it. This is one lock done. And now I'm just repeating the same steps that I did before. I put the crochet needle through the base of my braid, and then I tighten the hair around my finger, and I attach that hair to the crochet needle, and I close the crochet needle and pull the crochet needle through the base of my hair. A natural loop would then be formed, and you just pull out one end of the hair while holding onto the other end of the hair. Adjust the length of your stationary hair to your desired length, and then combine the stationary hair to your braid, and you would then be wrapping the hair with your stationary index finger, and you'll be moving your wrapping hair with your wrapping hand. I hope that makes sense. Make sure that as you are wrapping your hair down that you hold your braid taut, otherwise your braid is going to pop through the lock and it's just not going to look nice. If you still have wrapping hair once you reach the end of the braid, just wrap it around the stationary hair. And if you run out of wrapping hair before you reach your desired length, just twist the hair until you reach your desired length. Once you reach the end of your lock, you want to pinch the end. And if you twist in the opposite direction that you were twisting down, you will notice that your lock will start to unravel towards the end. But if you twist the lock in the same direction that you twisted going down, then the lock will be secure at the end. And I'm just cutting off some raggedy pieces. And now I'm just redoing the whole process all over again for every single lock. I am now done installing all of the locks. It took me about 5 packs in order to complete my entire head. I am now going to be using the leave-in mist and put that on my scalp to moisturize it. And then I'll be using the serum to basically seal in that moisture and to also promote hair growth. And the final product that I'll be using is the Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse from Shea Moisture. And I'll be using this to fight frizz. It also adds moisture to my hair and shine. This is my very first time using this. I think it did help with the frizz, but I think this is something that is you have to apply frequently. Like, it's not just like a one-time use. I am now applying my satin scarf, and then I will be adding my bonnet to the ends of my hair to protect my hair while I sleep. And finally, the very last step of this hairstyle is to add hair jewelry. So I did not film the process of me putting on my hair jewelry, but basically I just wrapped around the string around my locks. So I tied it in the back, and then I just basically wrap it around different locks. I put it like in different places and in different heights just to kind of like add some, like, I don't know, like dimension, whatever. And then I also added these little hair jewelries too. I've actually had these for about like a year or 2 years. So these are just little like clips. You just wrap it around the lock, and that's basically it. Let me show you guys the back. So I've had these locks in for about 2-3 days now. Yeah, as you can see, the gel didn't really do much for my hair. So I had also attempted to do my edges, but as you can see, that clearly was a fail. I have yet to find an edge control or a gel that can keep my edges laid back. It was laid back for like 5 minutes and then it just reverted back to its original state. So yeah, but yeah, that is basically it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I also have a hair playlist, so if you want to watch more hair tutorials from me, definitely check out that playlist. Follow me on my social media. The link is in the description box. I hope you guys have a wonderful morning, evening, afternoon, night, whatever time it is while you're watching this video. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. Love you guys. Bye!